Hey guys, I'm Tahlia and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be seeing step by step on how to line your eyes, how to draw the wing, and how to perfect your eyeliner. I will also be sharing a few tips and tricks by the end of this video, so do watch this tutorial till the end and do not forget to subscribe. Today I'm using a liquid liner by Maybelline. You can use any kind you like. Just make sure that the tip of the liner is sharp. The sharper the tip, the finer your eyeliner will look. Start lining from the middle of your lash line and work it out towards the outer corner. Use light strokes if you're just starting out, as it is extremely easy to go overboard. Keep the line fine at the inner corner and slightly thick at the outer corner. When lining the inner corner, slightly place the tip inside your eyelid to make the eyeliner look as though it is emerging out onto the lid. This is pretty much the standard for all kinds of eyeliner. To draw the wing, start a fine line from the upper eyelid and extend it upwards, curving towards the tip of the eyebrow. Draw another line just above it to form a triangle and fill it up. You can keep it at this thickness or add on as you prefer. It's different for every person, so work it out to find out what suits you the best. Here's a pro tip. Hold your brush in pen grasp and use the other three fingers as finger rest on your cheeks. Stabilize your hand by resting your elbow on a flat surface. The stable your hands are, the smoother and finer your eyeliner will look. Line the inside of your eyelid using an eyeliner powder. I'm using Hades Blue Eyeliner Powder. You can use any brand you like. Lastly, curl your lashes and apply mascara. I'm using Magnetized Mascara by Faces Canada. That's it, and you have the most perfect looking eyeliner. I hope that this video was informative and helpful. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.